Recording or recording? Okay, are we recording? I think we are. Okay, there's this part 2. Oh my god, there's the man. There's the damn man. Oh my god, that dude's dead. I brought you here. Warm. All of you. Okay. I think it's time to run. That is not possible. How do I take out this mask now? Everyone has it? Yep. I'm cold. I feel cold where I live right now. Oh god, no. Oh gosh, no. See you. No. Give me my seat. My seat is already placed. No. This is it. The captain is unconscious. What you think? He's dead? I think. Yeah, the plane is falling. Oh. Boy. We need to find the autopilot button. We do. Go. My plane ticket will help. Click everything. Okay, click everything. Kill me. No. Found it. Oh, thank God. Huh. Dude, what the hell? Not us. This pilot should oof, not us. This pilot should oof, not us. Yeah, this pilot should oof, not us. Like, oh. I don't know how we passed college. I don't know. Oh my God, did you guys see that? I don't know how we passed college. Where are we from? Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. We will get you in no time. Okay. Trace your location. Wait, what? I don't think that works in real life. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. That's me. Bye-bye. No. Find someone to sit on the call. Bye-bye. I may be on mobile, but I can do a turn off the off. Can do a ton of stuff. I can do a ton of stuff. No! Gosh damn it. Okay, everyone, I got... No, you noob. You knobhead. You are knobhead. I guess... Oh no, it's back. Oh, crap! Bye-bye. But no, let me out. Mwah. You humans are funny. No, let me out. Your destiny has already been written. Yeah, my ticket. Wait. My ticket will slap you in the face. Is my ticket. I'll oof you with this ticket. This is my airplane ticket. I will oof you with my airplane ticket. Oh, come on. Who did that now? Why you gotta be like that, homie? Yes, master. What? What? Mwahaha. What? Why are you saying master? I'll kill you. I'll kill you out. Oh no. You survived airplane award. Victory? Okay, victory. Ah, so that's it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is airplane. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is airplane story. This is, I think, part 1. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.